So I've been wanting to do this for the longest period of time, like to just be in the park and make a video of an update. But all the 24 months that I've had, I never came out to do this. So this is something that I always wanted to do. It's a little bit awkward because everyone who is passing by will be staring at you and stuff. But anyways, today's update is going to be my 2 years anniversary. So I'll be bringing you some details on what kind of products I'm using currently. I have really changed some of my products, especially the moisturizing issue, when you're using rose water and stuff like that. And I have found something much more as well less pricey and much more efficient, and I thought, yeah, let me share this with you in this vlog. Okay, so I was actually interrupted so I think this is not going to really work out. I won't be able to show you everything here because I didn't bring my products here into the park, but just for you to have a glimpse, this is how this place looks like. That's my mat over there. My kids are riding the bike somewhere there. Yeah. And yeah, so this is 2 years, guys. 2 years logged. Those of you who have followed me from the beginning, I just want to say a big thank you. We've made it to 2 years, and my locks are thriving. Even though I faced some few challenges with thinning, it's actually very good. So I'll continue at home showing you some of the products that are current. I don't use much, so yeah, it's actually not a lot that I will show you, but those are the things that have worked for me so far, and I'm sticking to them for a while. So I'll see you later. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I actually decided to update you. The last time you saw me, I was in the park, but that is good because now my hair is retightened. It's been about a week or two after. My hair is now retightened freshly, and I thought this is the best time for me to make a video just to complete what I started. So it's been 2 years, guys. 2 years on my love journey. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I've had my ups and downs, but you need to stay strong. So the last issue that I had was thinning. I have recovered from my thinning, thank God. And I've also combined a few locks where I was really questioning whether I should combine them or not. I did combine them. So one of them is this one here, and I wasn't sure whether I should combine it, but it's this one. I combined it with one at the top and one below, and it didn't become too thick. Once I interlock it for a while, I'm going to cut one off. I also combined another one somewhere here. But all in all, my hair looks good. So let me give you a 360 for you to see. So this is the front. Everything is retightened. You can see I'm getting better at my retightnings because, you learn as you go. So this is the other part. So yeah, that is me at 2 years locked right now. I used a 4-point rotation. I started with 372 locks, in case you are interested to know. I now have about 380 because I did split some of the locks in the front to give it some sort of fullness. That was what I was looking for. And now I've combined some. So I did add some, but I've combined some. So I don't know, maybe around 380 locks. Then what I use in my hair right now is distilled water with rose water. They are made with the same process, so that's why I mix them. So I put a little bit of my rose water somewhere in here, and then I fill the rest up with distilled water. This is how my distilled water looks like. It's what you put into your iron, because this is demineralized water, which is the same process which they use for winning rose water. And then I use this shampoo. I'm sure you know this brand. This is what I'm using. I don't use a conditioner, although I mistakenly bought a conditioner. I thought it was a shampoo. And then when it arrived, I bought it online. When it arrived, it was a conditioner. That was annoying. But anyways, that happens. Then I use castor oil for my roots. I mix it with vitamin E. So just 50-50. Put this into the bottle and then I shake it up. It helps to dilute the castor oil. But they both have good properties. So I just drop it with this on my scalp and then I massage it in. And yeah, that's it. I wanted to make this video as short as possible because I already gave you a recap in my 23 months update, so there's no need for me to talk a lot. So if you're interested in that, just go to my old videos. I'll link it in the description below. That's my 23 months update. You see the whole process. And I also made a 5-year natural hair journey because I'm 5 years natural now. I started my locks when I was 3 years natural. So yeah, a loose natural. And then yeah, so it's now been 2 years, guys. 2 years. Thank you so much for your support, for your comments, and for following me on Instagram, because that's where we actually really interact and you're able to send me so many questions. I'm able to answer. I hope I'm answering everyone because I'm really doing, my best to do that. Let me give you a 360 one more time. And then yeah, so that's it to my update. Or should I take off my jacket because probably you couldn't see it properly? So yeah, that's it to my update, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I bring updates all the time, and I'm creating a series on how to start your locks from start to finish. So how to split your hair, how to do the interlocking, how to decide which size. I have a tutorial doll with which I'll be doing that. I've announced it for a very long time, but I wanted to wait till I'm 2 years in, then I would know the ups and downs of this journey a little bit. 2 years, you still have a long way to go. But I thought based on that, I can start this series and then show you how you can start your locks. But you can start them anyhow with twists or with 3-strand braids and stuff like that. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.